Stanjabalisco here from the Nerd Cave. The date is May 7th, 2014. It is 11:45 in the morning. We're expecting another winter storm here, which I have called whatever more. I think it's going to be a quick mover. It's going to get its work done in a hurry, and it's going to snow a lot in a really short time, but we'll wait and see and find out about that. The purpose of this video here is to kind of conduct a little experiment, and you can help me with this. That is the Sombrero Galaxy, by the way. Wallpaper courtesy of Great Images in NASA. I am making this video in 1920 by 1080 full Ultra HD resolution, and I have discovered that in fact if you have a display that will portray that resolution, that you should be able to watch this video on YouTube in that resolution. It actually will come back down in that full resolution, and then you can compare some of the actual sites that you see on your computer with my YouTube video and see whether or not you can tell any difference. I found this is the Camtasia Studio program, Camtasia Recorder. It's really good. It has a whole lot of options. I'm just going to set everything for the maximum quality, and the one thing that it does do is demand a lot out of the processor and the video card in your computer. A lot of memory, a lot of processing power. And even then, it takes a little while to produce a video like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by opening up Google Chrome. Now you're watching exactly what I'm doing on my screen. Everything that I can see, you can see. It's exactly the same view. And you should be able to read all of this stuff in your 1920 by 1080 full resolution display. Let's go to Webmarks. Now that is my online bookmarks site, and you should be able to read the URL right up there off the bar. Everything you should be able to see. Let's go to, for example, research sites. That's what it looks like. You should be able to read all of that print perfectly well. Now I'm going to take you to the Doppler radar site, and yesterday I made a video of this radar.weather.gov site and discovered that only about half the screen gets filled up with actual usable stuff. The rest of it just looks white or blank. However, I can zoom in and get a better view, and let's just see what's going on, say down in probably Cheyenne, Wyoming. Yeah, Cheyenne, Wyoming. There you can see some showers taking place just south of Casper, just northwest of Laramie. Nothing really much yet in that department. Let's go back. Let's go down to Salt Lake City. See what they've got cooking. Take the topographical features away so you just see the radar. This is a really cool site. Now we can go to the loop. There's rotation. You see that? South to north over here, north to south over there, west to east, east to west. So Salt Lake City looks like that's just about where that storm is centered right now. Very interesting. Let's go back to the United States map and look at Salt Lake City. That's right here. The storm will probably track like this, more or less over us here in Rapid City, South Dakota, which doesn't see much. It's drizzling right now outside and 37 degrees. Let's go to north central Nevada. I stayed in Elko, Nevada. Elko, Nevada! I stayed there when I drove back from Carson City to Wisconsin, to move to Wisconsin at that time. Winnemucca. I swam there at their pool in Winnemucca. I remember all that. I remember all the hotels I stayed at and everything. There's Reno. That's near Carson City. We're not seeing much out there. How about somewhere down like Denver? Well, we're seeing a little bit of activity there. Let's see what kind of a loop we get. Well, there's not a heck of a lot there yet, but I'm just having this feeling things tend to really rev up when they get around here. They really get crazy. Here's a speed test. Let's see. South Dakota broadband.sd.gov. It'll show you that speed test. Here's another speed test. It's the Speakeasy speed test. I wonder what I'm getting for speed. We had a little glitch over the weekend in the speed on the internet here. It was quite a bit slower for some reason. Yeah, now see, I'm getting slower download speed here now. I'm not sure why. But what really matters to me is upload speed. Let's see what we're getting there. Well, not so hot there either right now. It varies quite a bit, I've noticed. Probably depending on local usage, things like that. But anyway, you can go to my vlog site, the Nerd Cave Vlog. That's interesting. We're actually not getting, this thing actually isn't playing. Well, it could be now that maybe this Camtasia Studio is conflicting with the internet connection here, but whatever that case may be, let's see, there's Webmarks again. I'm just doing a little experiment, fooling around, but mainly to show you how good the resolution can be on this Camtasia Studio screen capture program. If you configure everything properly, it should be coming down back to you on YouTube at this full resolution. Really cool stuff. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Let's look at New York City. Seems like it's always storming out east. Not today, though. Minneapolis. They're supposed to be in the target for tornadoes and stuff like that. What about, say, somewhere like Austin? Austin, San Antonio. They're getting some stuff down there. Well, that'll just about do it from here. I hope I haven't yammered at you so much and bored you to death. But it's just a demonstration of this weather.radar.gov site. I guess I can zoom in here even more for you. That doesn't seem to make the picture any bigger. It makes everything else bigger, but not the picture. Well, that's the world of computers for you. They're neurotic, just like we are. Stan Gibilisco, signing off for now. From the Nerd Cave, deep in the Sombrero Galaxy. Until next time, so long.